Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting the vibration in Telegram calls to default. If you want to restore the default vibration settings for Telegram calls, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and scroll down to find Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it to access the notification settings. Step 4. Scroll down in the Notifications and Sounds menu until you find Calls. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. In the Calls settings, you will find an option labeled Vibrate. Tap on it to open the vibration settings. Step 6. Within the vibration settings, you will see different options. Tap on Default to set the vibration in Telegram calls to the default setting. By following these simple steps, you can easily set the vibration in Telegram calls back to the default setting. This ensures that the vibration matches the default behavior of your device. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in setting the vibration in Telegram calls to default. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a personalized and intuitive calling experience in Telegram.